Welcome back to the channel. You may recognise this car that I have in front of me. It's an S550 in silver. It was previously on the channel last year. It had stage 2 competition cams, an oil pump and crank gear, and then it went over to in the dyno for a full custom map tune. The customer's had the car for around a year now. He's got used to the power and he wants more. As you can tell what's in front of me, you know what's going to be going on. We're now going to strip the car down, get the supercharger installed. It's having an LPX 1000 clutch, and then once we're done, it's going back into the dyno for a full custom calibration on the Whipple. It's then going to go next door to DAB Auto Care, because last year this car came in, it had a full ceramic coating package. Now obviously it's been in the wild for a year, it's picked up a couple of imperfections, a couple of minor scratches, things like that. So it's going to go around to Beanie, it's going to get all that back out, and it's going to look like a brand new car again. So stick around, it's going to be a good one. These all finished with a tuning session now. As you can see on the graph in front of me, the thin lines are what the car made previously when we installed the stage 2 competition cams. So it made a very, very healthy 465 wheel horsepower. For an NA car, that is very good going. However, the customer's had the car for a while now, he's got used to the power and he wants a massive increase. So there's only one place for it. We've put a Whipple supercharger on. It's now making a massive 704 wheel horsepower. You've seen what power it's made, you've seen the installation of the work that we're doing, so we're going to pull it outside and get it round to his in-house detailer that's DAB Auto Care. So when this car came to us previously, it had a full ceramic coating package. It's going to go around, get a little top up, make sure there's no imperfections anywhere, so it's like a new car for when the customer returns. Stick around to the end of the video because we've got something a little bit special, something that we haven't really done before. It's going to be very fun for everybody involved and you're going to love it, so stay tuned. As you've seen all the modifications under the bonnet, you've seen the Whipple get installed and the aesthetics. For the cherry on top of the cake, we now have a set of HRE wheels. These are the first set of HREs that we've put on an S550 Mustang. As always, thanks for sticking around to the end, and now we're going to pass the car over to Dee and take it out.
Of course.
Right guys, so this is Nicholas, the owner of this 700 wheel horsepower convertible Mustang GT. And this is his first time out in the car, so we're going to go for a little drive and see what he thinks to it. So enjoy, mate.
Thank you. I'm excited and worried at the same time.
We'll be fine. Top down, yeah. Sun's out, for now.
Love it. Sounds so good. I love the sound. That's supercharged.
It's one of my favourite sounding exhausters.
Yeah.
Actually, it's like it's really deep. It's a nice turn.
I could listen to this all day.
I've never actually listened to it with the top down, so it sounds completely different to me now. One for the fans. Yeah, it feels different on these wheels.
Yeah. I can't wait.
Like it actually feels different.
I can't wait to feel for myself.
It's crazy, really.
Like a Formula 1,
huh? Yeah.
It was definitely worth going for this
setup. wheel
suspension
under it.
upgrade. Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely. The thing is now with these wheels, you've got the right offset with the right width wheel,
Yeah.
and it just sits perfectly now, and with extra grip, so
Yeah.
it looks better and it'll grip better.
Yeah.
And you don't have wheel spaces either, so that's always a plus.
Jesus. Hey, special. A roller coaster. That's adrenaline rush.
Solid. Second gear.
Wow.
It's a lot more dramatic with the roof down.
Yeah. So, I love it. Dramatic is a good word.
Fastest car you've been in?
Yeah.
Easily.
Yeah. Definitely. This is another level.
Wait till we go to the next stage.
Yeah. Don't want to imagine. The car will take off. At least I've got the wheels ready for it.
Oh yeah, definitely. Look how far away that car is.
That's mental. It's like the brain goes to the back of my skull. So you don't often drive a convertible that fast, no? Huh?
You are, sorry.
Do you? You don't often drive convertible as fast, no?
Nah, never. I hardly drive convertibles.
That sound is
Epic.
juicy. Love it. Yeah, that Supercharger was definitely a nice addition.
Perfect. It completely transforms the car.
Yeah.
There's no other car in the world
Yeah.
that you can stick a supercharger on, gain an extra 400 brake horsepower without rebuilding the engine.
Yeah. So I heard it's the Coyote engine, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, some good match.
Oh yeah, mega.
I've noticed is the power is instant.
Yeah.
Instant power. It's brilliant.
It's power's instant and never stops.
Yeah.
Like it's relentless. It just keeps pulling.
So,
It'll pull all the way up to like 7,800 RPM. So what are your thoughts?
it's well, it exceeded my expectation.
Really?
It's absolutely mental.
It
The mental is the word.
was worth doing then.
Absolutely, yeah. It's worth every penny.
It is a crazy amount of power.
Yeah.
700 wheel horsepower from
Yeah.
a stock engine car.
Yeah.
Literally just a bolt-on supercharger and a few other little bits and bats around
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
What shocks me the most is that instant pull.
Oh yeah,
Literally.
like
Yeah.
any gear,
Any-
any time. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's literally just ready.
Special.
Yeah, it's an epic car, mate. Right, we'll head back to the workshop and we can wrap this up and you can take it home.